Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make ring braids. This is the best tutorial of how to make ring braids. So once you part your hair to your desired shape, one thing about this hairstyle is that you can use it to make anything of your choice, either shuku, patewo, cornrows, any other type of hairstyle that you know. Once you part your hair to your desired shape, then you start by cutting it just the way you are seeing it here, just a smaller piece from the side. Then you add your braided gel or any other gel of your choice, and this same cut is what you cut throughout. So you start by weaving to the side. Can you see the way that I am carrying my hand? I will not rush too much so you can understand what I'm trying to talk about. Once you are done with this particular cut, you want to ensure that the end of that braid is a bit long. Make sure that it is long, so this end will serve a purpose and you will see how I'm going to use it. So once you elongate it to an extent, you will drop it, then you part that same amount of hair that I told you earlier. You will part it. You can add your braiding gel to make it look neater. So the end of the one that you just finished making, you will part it into three sections. So that is the end you'll be using to braid. You will turn it over just the way you are seeing it here. You will turn it over and use it to braid this particular one that you just cut, and you will weave it. For you can ask for assistance from anybody just to make it to look more neater, that they should help you to hold it down, but it's not necessarily to hold it down. Sometimes you can just make sure that you are braiding it tightly so that it will not be so loose. So once you are done with that particular hand again, like I said earlier, you want to elongate the hand of that braid. So you can also make use of extension if you want it to look more creative. Probably you are going for an editorial shoot or birthday shoot, this particular hair will be perfect for it. So you cut the hair with that similar pattern you'll be cutting it earlier, then you pick it using the hand of that extension left behind to braid it from the scratch. So as you can see, we just made two and it is already forming that ring that we want. So it depends on the type of hairstyle you are making. If it is shuku, if it is patewo or cornrow itself, if you are making cornrow, if you are cutting the parts for cornrow, it will be much more longer. So if you are making ring braids in form of cornrow, definitely the sectioning is gonna be longer. But if it is shuku, that one will be shorter, and if it is patewa, that one too will be shorter. So you want to keep making that same pattern, repeat it, follow the same thing you've been doing, and you will get this particular ring braids. This hairstyle is not really common at all. So if you are just watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. So continue sectioning it. Like I said, use the hand of that extension to pick it from the scratch. Can you see the way it is forming that ring, and it is looking so beautiful? If you are a creative person, you should understand that this ring braids can be used to form different types of hair, probably slanting pattern, C pattern, half pattern, center pattern. Not just straight, like cutting it straight and making everything just straight. You can be playful with it, can play around with it, and If you're just that kind of a person that loves making unique hairstyle for your client, you can actually bring this idea for the person to try, and I assure you, you will regret it. This hairstyle is 100% beautiful. This hairstyle, my mom used to make it back in the days. If you are making your hair, you can just spice it up, adding just this particular ring braid to one side of the hair. So keep repeating this process and the ring will start forming. So when you get to this particular part where you want to finish it, you can just make a straight cornrow. It's not a must you finished everything repeating that same ring method. So when you get to this place, you want to make it straight. Then if you want to spice it up, like I said earlier, you can add your extension to it. You can turn the extension out, you can fold it into swirl braids, or you can even just twist it or wrap it, or just be playful with it and just play around with it, and you arrive at this beautiful hairstyle. So this is how to make ring braids, and I hope you've learned something from me today. So I'll be dropping different tutorial on how to make different kind of hairstyle, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So this is the end of ring braids. Look at the way it is forming ring. If it's not entering your finger like this, it is not ring braids. Bye.